Have you ever been scammed? If so, you're not alone, and the emotional toll it takes can be heavy. Scams are unfortunately common, and they're becoming even more so in this digital age. From online shopping fraud to impersonation scams, these deceitful schemes are designed to trick us, and they're becoming increasingly sophisticated every day. When you fall victim to a scam, it's natural to experience a whirlwind of emotions. You may feel violated, as if your trust has been shattered. Guilt may overwhelm you, as you wonder how you could have let this happen. You might even feel embarrassed, hesitant to confide in others about what you've experienced. But it's crucial to understand that these emotions, while intense, are completely normal. It's okay to feel this way. You've been targeted by individuals who've made it their job to deceive and exploit. Remember, it's not your fault. Scammers are professional manipulators who prey on unsuspecting individuals. Your feelings are valid, and it's important to acknowledge them. In the aftermath of being scammed, it's common to experience a range of emotions. You may feel betrayed, embarrassed, angry, or even ashamed. It's crucial to remember that these feelings are perfectly normal. Suppressing them or pretending they don't exist can lead to more harm than good. Imagine your emotions like waves in the ocean. They come and they go, but they're an essential part of the sea. Just as the sea acknowledges each wave, you too should acknowledge each emotion. One way to do this is through journaling. Write down what you're feeling, why you're feeling it, and how you can grow from it. Alternatively, confide in a trusted friend or family member. Expressing your feelings can help alleviate the burden you may be carrying. Remember, there's strength in vulnerability. By acknowledging your feelings, you are taking the first step towards healing. Don't isolate yourself. Reach out to others for support. It's natural to feel a sense of shame or embarrassment after falling victim to a scam. But remember, it's not a reflection of your intelligence or worth. It's merely a sign that someone took advantage of your trust, and that's on them, not you. Seeking support from others can be incredibly healing. It can help reduce the feelings of shame and embarrassment you might be experiencing. It can also provide a fresh perspective on the situation. You see, when you share your experience, you allow others to empathize with you, to reassure you that it's not your fault and to help you understand that you're not alone. Friends and family can be a great source of comfort. But if you feel more comfortable, professional counselors are also available to provide guidance and support. They are trained to help you navigate through this tough time. Remember, you are not alone in this. There are people who care and want to help. Knowledge is power. Use this experience as a stepping stone towards greater awareness. It's a bitter pill to swallow, but sometimes our toughest lessons are learned through hardship. However, these experiences can be instrumental in fortifying us against future scams. By immersing yourself in knowledge about scams, you're equipping yourself with a powerful defense. There are plenty of resources available that can help you understand the common types of scams and the tactics employed by fraudsters. For instance, websites like the Federal Trade Commission or the Better Business Bureau provide valuable insight into the world of scams and how to steer clear of them. You can also engage in online forums or community discussions where individuals share their experiences and tips. The more you learn, the more empowered you become. This knowledge not only helps you feel less vulnerable, but it also prepares you to help others who may be at risk. By educating yourself, you are taking control and reducing the chances of falling victim to a scam in the future. It's time to move forward. Don't let this experience define you. Scams can be a damaging blow, but they don't have to define your future. It's natural to feel upset, even betrayed, but remember, it's not a reflection of your worth or capabilities. You are not the mistake you made, you are the wisdom that you've gained from it. Use this experience as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. You've learned what to look out for, you've learned how to protect yourself better, and you've learned the importance of due diligence. These lessons are invaluable, and they shape you into a more cautious, informed individual. Focus on your strengths, your resilience, your ability to bounce back from adversity. Remember, your self-worth isn't dictated by a singular event, but by the entirety of your journey. Remember, you are more than this incident. You are resilient, and you have the power to overcome this.